Hi, welcome to breakingtrade.com. I am Rajat. So I'm going to give you a quick demo of this website, various features which you can use on this particular website. So starting with the market profile charts. As soon as you load this website, you will be getting a default market profile chart which is of Nifty index, that is Nifty spot. So you can see on the right hand side on the y-axis you have the price, on the x-axis you have the dates, you have the range and the stock name. So you will be getting the 8-day intraday charts currently, and these charts are divided 30 minutes time frame, means each session is 30 minutes, like A session from 9:15 to 9:45, B session from 9:45 to 10:15, and so on. These charts are getting refreshed after every 1 minute, so you will be getting a different chart or new information being displayed on the chart after every minute if there is something new updation for the chart. So I'm not going into the basics of market profile charts. I assume that you must be knowing how to read these charts. This pink shaded area region is called the value area. Above boundary is value area high, below boundary is value area low, and the horizontal line which you see is the point of control, that is the POC. So you can see all the charts are pink shaded region, and each chart of the day has the POC also, point of control, which is the horizontal line. Now another thing, like this buttons you are saying, classic view, advanced view, monthly view, what are these? Suppose I select a stock, say from here you can select different stocks. So currently we have all these stocks which are traded on the Nifty future, means all the future stocks which are traded on the Nifty. So you have here Nifty index, Nifty future, bank future, bank Nifty future, bank Nifty index. You have the spot for Nifty IT. So, and for others, you have the future charts. Means you have the spot and futures for Nifty and Bank Nifty, spot for Nifty IT, and you have ACC, Adani, Netadani Port, and other stocks with futures. So, if suppose I want to select any stock, say I would say Maruti, just type here. Here comes the Maruti chart. If I want to say Reliance, here comes the Reliance chart. If I want to say Nifty again, I select the Nifty index again. Okay, so this is the default classic view. Now there's another view called advanced view. In this advanced view, you can see each TPU is labeled with a number, say A0, A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6, and so on. So this shows that within the each session, market went down first or up first. You can come to know with the TPU number. So market opened at 9413, then A0, A1, A2, A3 from below. That means market went down first, then market went above. Similarly, you can see for each session with C, with D, E, which TPU has formed first, so you can know the direction of the market also. This is the difference between the classic and advanced view. Then you have the monthly view. In a monthly view, you have the consolidated profile of that particular script in a last 30 days sessions, means last 30 days profile in a consolidated view. Like you have the intraday charts which is for 1 day, this particular profile is for 30 days. So here you can get the gist of the overall market direction also, like for the past 1 month what market has been doing. You can see the POC has been 9318, value area high has been around 9494, 9494, and value area low is around 8918. So like this you can use this monthly view also. Coming features are weekly view, and also you will be able to see more than 8 days also data. So these are being developed, and soon you will be seeing on this particular website that with monthly view you can see the weekly view also, and you can see the intraday charts of more than 8 days also. Probably for at least for 1 month you might be seeing. So these were the market profile chart feature. Then you have another feature which is very powerful, I believe, is the intraday scanner here. On the intraday scanner, you can see, okay, there are different concepts like name, opening, open, right? These are the concepts based on the market profile. These all things are updated in the real time. So you can see you have to refresh the page to get the latest data. Use filter button to filter the stocks, means you can just click on filter here and you can say, okay, I want test drive. So you can type test here. So you will be getting all these stocks which have open test drive downwards here. Similarly, can say I have tail, say selling tail. So you will be getting all these stocks with the selling tail here, and so on. So you can use this particular filter button also. Plus you can also sort these particular stocks based on the value. Say you have clicked here, so you will be getting all the stocks which have first from above yesterday value, which have opened above yesterday value area high. Similarly, you can sort the stock based on the open drive upwards, and so on. The things which are written as undefined, that means nothing has been formed for them. Like for the Ashok Leyland, if I say Ashok Leyland, if I say open drive, if I click on this particular stock here, so there was no open drive here, you can see. So that was undefined. You can directly open the chart by clicking on the stock name here. So this is the open drive, this is the tail again, which has the buying tail or selling tail. This is a single print. A single print means breakout, you can see. So there are different type of single print information. I'll just explain you. Like this is saying fail to go down, fail to go down. This is saying fail to go high, fail to go high. So if I just click on this Manappuram stock, it is saying it failed to go high in the C session. So in the C session, you can see market failed to go up here. Okay, then market went down and it closed near the POC. So you have the short selling opportunity here, say around 127.1, 127, and then you could have booked the profit according to your trading style. Similarly, if it is saying it failed to go high in the B period, if I click on Caddic Healthcare here, so it failed to go up in the B period, and you are seeing this M closing near the value area low. Similarly, it has failed to go down and failed to go down for this intraday and MFSL. Then you have other features as single print upside. That means when the market broke out. So you can see in the general steel, if I say single print upside, that means market breakout upside in the H period. So all the things which you are seeing in the green color is for upward movement. All the things which you are seeing in maroon or red color, that is means that is negative factor for the market for that particular stock, and the blue one is the neutral thing. So if I open this particular say general steel, so you can see in the H period it broke out and it went above till 121.6. It broke out around 118.8. If I see Conco here, it says it's single print upside in the H and G period. So in the H period also, in the G period also, they are single print. That means it went up. So this is the single print thing. This is the time that you will be seeing when the stock was last scanned in the real time. Then you have the day type, which is saying normal variation day, normal day. You have trend day upward, trend day downwards, and so on. So if I say for the again convert, it's saying trend day upwards. So it was the trend day upward based on the market profile parameters. Now another thing is current TPO. This tells you the where is the current TPO position respective to the today's movement. So like this is a closing thing. So here you are seeing the M period. Suppose you are seeing the live market, you will be seeing A, B, C, D, and so on. It will be telling you where is this current TPO. It is whether it is above value area high, whether it is near value area low. So if I click on MFSL, it is saying market close above value area high here. Similarly, if I click on say Caddic Healthcare, it is saying near value area low. So market is closing near the value area low here. So with these features, you can directly scan all the one about 145 to 146 stocks without doing any manual thing. Means all the information are at your fingertips here. Then you have this reference price here. In the reference price, you can select you can see all the important pivot points of any stocks like open, high, low, days range, point of control, value area high, value area low, IV range, close, and so on. You can select any stock here. Say I'm selecting Reliance here. You will be getting all the information of Reliance here. Now this is a weekly meter. In the weekly meter, let it go. Meanwhile, we can see latest news. So in the latest news also, you can see all the news related to the Indian market are displayed here from various publication. So today market is closed here. In the real time, you will be seeing, okay, there will be tens of hundred publications here, 10 to 20 publication giving important news related to stocks, related to Indian market. You can select particular stock also. If there is some significant news is there, you will be getting there. Say if I select Maruti here, so since market is closed here, no significant news found for Maruti today, and so on. You can use this particular feature. Then this is the weekly meter and that shows the strength of the stocks of the past movement according to the movement on the past 6 to 7 days. So this is based on again on various market profile parameters how the strength has been. So you can trade a bit differently with this. Like if the meter is showing near 9800 or quite positive, then it may take time to cool down. It may just have a pullback, then it may go up, or means you should not be shorting at that particular thing. You should be looking for the opportunity to buy there. If it is in negative, you should be looking for the opportunity to sell there. It does not mean that you should have to buy at this particular day. So it is better to buy that particular stock if this meter is showing in the range of say plus 30 to 70. If it is near 9800, then it may need a bit of time to cool down, but still you should be looking for buying only. Then you have tutorials here. You can see basic market profile glossary here, types of order in stock market. I would be updating more tutorials here in the coming future. Okay. So another thing, like with this intraday scanner, you can also join Telegram channel. In this, if you click on this particular channel, this feature I have introduced recently only. So if you open this particular channel here, you will be getting automated trades. Like this is a particular channel here, you will be getting automated trades based on the market profile parameters. You can choose best stock, best trade for yourself, and you can trade according to that. So this is given you at the real time. Now if you have any strategy, now these stock alerts are given based on some default strategy which I have built and just for some easy trades. If you have any particular strategy which you want to customize for yourself, suppose in the intraday scanner you want, okay, any stock which is opening within yesterday value or any stock which is opening below yesterday value, then it should have open test drive downward also, it should have selling tail also, or it has any breakout periods. Say you want this particular alert which stock failed to go high in this particular C period only, and it also opens in the within yesterday value. So these type of customized alert could also be formed based on your requirement. Suppose you want, okay, if any stock has gone past the yesterday high, or if it has broken the past 7 days high or past 7 days low, these type of alert you will be getting in the real time on your Telegram channel. This will be customized, custom made based on you, for you, on your requirements. You can join Twitter also. I would be giving updates on Twitter, any new information, any updates on the website, or just for anything useful if I find. You can join the Facebook channel, Facebook page also. You can like that particular page. You will be getting the notification there also. If you want to learn the market profile course, you can join this particular course also. I provide sessions on weekends, so you can learn market profile in depth with advanced concepts also. So this was from my side. Thanks for watching this video. If you still have any doubt, any query, you can always mail me at breakingtrade@gmail.com, or you can ping me on Twitter, Facebook. I would be happy to help you and reply you. Thanks a lot.